Hi guys, hi to everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is P. Rahul Dravid, your new friend. So guys, in this video, I want to explain that how I built a complete AI chatbot using MERN Stack. And guys, I integrate it with the OpenRouter API key to generate a real responses. So guys, let me show you a quick demo of this project before we get into the code. So guys, here I am on the login page. Here we have to fill the details to access the chart. Yeah guys, here the chart interface is open. Now we can ask any question to the bot. Now I am asking first, hi buddy. Yeah guys, here the bot replies, hello there, how can I help you today? Yeah guys, now I am asking the bot what is React. Yeah guys, the chatbot replies, React is an open source JavaScript library for building user interfaces. So guys, here we can see the bot gives real responses by using OpenRouter API key. So guys, and the previous messages are all stored in databases. So the history is always available. So now let's quickly see the folder structure guys of this project. Yeah, and guys, now we are in VS Code and this is my folder structure and I can divide it into two folders, both client and server. And client is nothing but the front end folder guys, and server is nothing but the backend folder. And guys, in server folder we have to install some dependencies like Express to build backend server and Mongos to connect the MongoDB and JSON Web Token and .env to secure the API keys. And guys, in server folder we have some subfolders like routes, middlewares, models, and in routes in auth.js file we handle user registrations and logins guys, and we hashed the passwords, and I can also show how the password is hashed in database. Yeah guys, here you can see the password is hashed like this, so it is secured guys. Yeah guys, and here also a token is generated by individual users. Yes guys, and also in chat.js file the bot get responses to this router from OpenRouter API key guys, and I mentioned the OpenRouter API key in .env file, so please don't share the OpenRouter API key with anyone, it is secure guys. And also in client folder we have some main folders like login page, register page, charts page guys, and in components we have some sidebar file, top bar file, and chart input files, etc guys. And in login page I stored the token in local storage guys. And guys, now let's quickly run this project, and again let's see the all functionalities. Yeah guys, the backend server is live at localhost 5000, and we need to install the frontend also. Frontend also. Yeah guys, once we click this link we opened an interface like this guys. So we need to log in first. I entered the password wrong guys, and the email or password is invalid. So why? Because I entered the wrong password, so I entered the right password to log in. Yeah guys, the chat interface is open. Now I can click on this button, new chat button. The new chat interface is open, and now I am asking what is Python. And guys, here the bot replies, Python is a popular high level programming language. So guys, here you can also see the previous chart history, and you can also delete the chart by clicking this delete option, guys. Once the delete, the chart is deleted, guys. Yeah, and guys, this is also mobile responsive, guys. You can also see the mobile view. Guys, this is my mobile view. And you can also see the sidebar by clicking this toggle button. Guys, you can ask anything to the bot. Yeah, guys, you can also share this chart by clicking this share option. And guys, once we click on that share button, we get an interface like this. Yeah, guys, now here I am click on WhatsApp. I want to share this code for myself. Yeah, guys, whenever I send that button, yeah, guys, the chart is shared successfully, and we can also log out by clicking this logout button, guys. Yeah, once you log out, we need to re-log in with your details, guys. And you can also check my GitHub repository link, guys. Here I mentioned everything in readme file, so you can check all the complete details in this readme file, guys. Here's the project features, project folder structure, and the setup instructions. We need to check everything in this readme file, guys. And my technologies used React plus Tailwind, Node, Express, MongoDB, Router API, Framer motions, etc., guys. And this is my project, guys. So thank you. If you like this project, please show some love. Thank you, guys.